Welcome to my channel.
Things we need to prime a canvas are
Palette knife, brush, water spray.
Gesso. Gesso is a primer used to prime or prep a canvas. I'm using Bluebird's Gesso. It's available in black and white color. If you want a tinted base, you can add colors to white Gesso. Spray water all over the canvas. Brush it to spread water. Spray water at the back side of the canvas. If your canvas is saggy or loose, spray water at the back side of the canvas and let it dry. It'll help to tighten up loose canvas. I'm using white gesso. Apply the gesso and spread it with the help of pallate knife. You can use any old SIM card or credit card if you don't have pallate knife. You can use butter knife too. I'm applying it vertically. If your gesso is thick, you can use little bit water. Make sure you apply it evenly. If you apply the coat vertically, then second will be horizontal. We're done with the first coat. After drying it, we are ready to apply second coat. Now spread it horizontally. We are done with the second and final coat. This is dust paper or ragmal. If the surface of the canvas is uneven, rub dust paper on the canvas and brush the dust off. It's an old canvas, you can reuse the old canvas by applying gesso. Now I'm using brush to apply gesso. Apply it on the edges too.
purpose of
Primer
primer?
will help the color to spread smoothly. Canvas will not absorb paints, it'll make the canvas white. Spread the gesso evenly. And we are done now. You can reuse this old canvas. These are two canvases we have primed. Let me show you the difference of primed surface and unprimed surface. This is how I prime my canvas for oil and acrylic painting. I hope you will like it. If you do, then stay tuned for more videos. Thank you for watching.